Welcome to 3D World. How does 3D printers work? 3D printing is a process for making a physical object from a three-dimensional digital model, typically by laying down many successive thin layers of a material. A digital object, its CAD representation, into its physical form by adding layer by layer of material. 3D full-color printing of photorealistic, personal mini-replicas figurines is now available in Dubai. Our custom-engineered Photogrammetry 3D scanner makes it possible to capture a full 3D scan in a split second. The multi-camera system, 154 cameras in total, is based on photogrammetry principles. After the scan, your geometrical and photo-technical data, big words for lots and lots of pictures, sourced from up to 300 photos, are processed by our 3D modeling software and collected for post-processing. Your data will be securely stored on our servers. What are the benefits of 3D printing? How does 3D printing work? 3D printing is known for its speed, accuracy, and cost-effectiveness, especially when compared to more traditional processes such as hand-built prototyping and CNC machining. The process of 3D printing makes it easier for designers to create complex designs, and unlike with traditional processes, 3D printed parts and prototypes can typically be produced in hours, rather than days or weeks, allowing companies to move through design cycles faster and more efficiently.